Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you WWE 2K26 error. The error is this game requires a more recent version of Windows 10 or later. So if you are getting this error in WWE 2K26 game, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to untick run this program in compatibility mode for WWE 2K26 underscore x64 exe file. So go to the game installation folder. Go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then open the WWE 2K26 game folder and then look for the WWE 2K26 underscore x64 exe file. Right click on it and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab, and if this box is ticked mark, run this program in compatibility mode for. If this box is ticked mark, then you have to untick it and then click on apply, OK. And then you can launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Next fix is to untick run this program in compatibility mode for Steam. So first of all, close Steam. So click on this arrow icon and then right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam. This will close the Steam and then open File Explorer. Go to C drive, program files x86, open Steam folder and here look for the Steam exe file. Here it is. Right click on Steam exe file and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab, and if run this program in compatibility mode for is ticked mark, then untick it and then click on apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch Steam and then launch WWE 2K26 game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these two fixes you can easily solve. This game requires a more recent version of Windows 10 or later error in WWE 2K26 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.